Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I am Gunjan Saxena with the story Toto the Monkey. Grandfather bought Toto Monkey from a Tonga driver for 5 rupees. Toto was pretty and looked so out of place that grandfather decided to add him to his private zoo. He was however afraid of grandmother who did not like him bringing home as many pets as he liked. So grandfather brought Toto home and decided to keep him a secret from grandmother. On first day, Toto ripped open the pack to which he was tied and shredded the blazer that was hanging in the room and tore up the ornament paper that grandfather had chosen for the wall. Toto was then transferred to the servant quarter where he lived with other pets. Usually, most of the grandfather pets got along well with each other. They all lived very well together. There were a tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and one goat. However, Toto kept all of them awake at night. To prevent further such situations, grandfather decided to take Toto with him to Dehradun. However, the journey was not the one grandfather was expecting. He and Toto made it through most of the trip without any incident, but at the railway station, Toto suddenly poked his head out from a big canvas bag and scared the TT collector. TT collector thought Toto was a dog and charged poor grandfather 3 rupees extra. Grandmother finally accepted Toto and gave him a comfortable home at the stable. His companion was their donkey Nana. However, when the grandfather came to the stable to make sure that Toto was comfortable, he saw poor Nana struggling because Toto had jumped on head and beaten his ears. Toto loved the warm bath that grandmother prepared for him. It was a treat for him. He would check the temperature of a water and then enter bath 1 foot at a time. Then he would soak himself. Once he almost boiled himself alive because he did not realize that the large kettle was still on fire. He was saved by grandmother who pulled him out the kettle just in time. One day, grandmother had made pulao. When everyone entered the dining room, they saw Toto sitting on table stuffing himself with rice. He threw a plate at grandmother, who has screamed at him. He also threw a glass of water in the face of one aunt who rushed towards him. Then Toto jumped out of the window with the dish of pulao. He climbed all the way up the jackfruits and ate all the rice while everyone watched. Finally, to take revenge on grandmother who had screamed at him, he threw the dish down the tree and laughed when it broken into pieces. Obviously, Toto was not the sort of pet. These incidents made everyone, especially grandfather, realize that they could not keep Toto for long. He was becoming very expensive for them to keep because he kept destroying things. They could not keep replacing them all the time. So, grandfather found the Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for only 3 rupees. Moral: one must maintain courtesy in order to live with each other, or one must behave responsible in good environment. Thank you.